impilo yakho ihlukana igaba ezintathu. At your 20s and above, you care so much about what people say about you. 40s and above, you realize ukuthi man, I should care less about what people say about me and live my own life. At your 60s and above, you realize ukuthi nobody said anything about you. People were just busy living their own lives. So, the moral of the story, live your life the way you want to live it. Be your own authority. Honor yourself. Live your own truth. Be true to yourself. Abona abanye abantu decide ukuba true kwabanye abantu, but benze lento ekuthiwa self-betrayal. To be there for people, to stand up for people, to try to meet people's expectations, to be people's person, but ngeke uzwazi ukuplease kokubili. If you please people, you're going to betray yourself. If you please yourself, it will be like you are betraying people while you are not. Ngalesi sikhathi ubingelelo changes akasha uthi kungenzeka noma yini, noma inini, noma kanjani kunoma ubani, ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ocabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi umoya, ungatatazeli, uyabona. Mina ngi-ambassador ye-individualism, self-sufficiency, internal authority. Yabona abantu bengakunika umbono, kodwa abantu bengakuthatheli inqobo. Nalowo muntu loyo othi ngeke uze kuhambe kahle uma ngabe ungenze ngalendlela asho ngayo, mina ngithi landela i-authority yakho. Ngiyazi ukuthi iningi lenu based on your charts lingama-generators and manifesting generators, okusho ukuthi i-authority yenu it's a sacral. I-sacral yakho ngamagama nje ajwayelekile bayibiza nge-guts. Your gut tells you what is right or not for you. Cela ukuthi ungatatazeli, ngikunikeza nje i-advice yamahala without you booking for a chart reading. I-advice ithi mfowethu, if kuwukuthi wena you think or you know ukuthi uya generator or uya manifesting generator, ngicela ungatatazeli, qhubeka wenze lento oyenzayo as long as you love it. Even if you don't love it, but if there's nothing outside that is showing ukuthi you should be changing now, ngicela ukuthi uqhubeke. Ama-clues nama-hints uzowathola ngaphandle. Impilo izokunikeza into okuzomela ukuthi uresponde kuyona uma ngabe sekumele ukuthi ushintshe direction noma u-embark on a new journey of your life. Ungatatazeli, don't think in your mind and initiate things. That's not the way you have designed to work. Angikwenzele nje isibonelo. Mhlambe wenza umsebenzi ongawuthandi, owuzwayo ukuthi yakudraina day by day. Ngicela ukuthi ulinde ama-situations and circumstances ukuthi akukhiphe lapho. Don't wake up and say no. Or you should listen to your sacral. When it is really tired, zero energy to go there, that is when you say no, I'm done, I'm fed up. You don't just sleep and wake up and do things as a generator. Even if abantu sebeyakubonisa, kodwa uma ngabe kuwuthi i-sacral noma i-gut feeling yakho ithe this is what I want to do, then do it. Ngoba mina ngizokutshela ukuthi that is a body intelligence that is telling you. That is your higher self that is communicating with you. Ayiqamba manga. It cannot tell you ukuthi lento uyayithanda ubungayithandi. Yabona abanye abantu emsebenzini babukeka be-incapacitated. Kanti hayi ukuthi ngoba be-incapacitated or bengenayo i-efficacy yokwenza umsebenzi abawuqashelwe, kodwa ngoba lo msebenzi is not the right job for them. is not what they are excited and here to do. Maybe it's just part of the journey and lesson that they are here to take, but it's not where they need to pour their energy into. So we are not incapacitated, we are not lazy, we are not stubborn and obdurate. It's just that we are in the wrong place. That is why ubuka ngathi umsebenzi uyakuhlula. Isakral yakhe iyakutshela ukuthi this is not right for you. But wait for life to give you clues. You can't just say I'm out without getting the clues or listening to your sacral. Ukuthi mina ngibonile abantu belalela abantu and ekugcineni bakhala ngabo futhi labo bantu. I-authority yakho, i-internal authority yakho wona ukhiye mawukutshela ukuthi lento ngiyayenza, yenze leyo nto. Yabona mfowethu, even iqhamuka i-business opportunity, isacral yakho izoba excited kuqala before umqondo wakho ufike kwi-fear. Isacral yakho izoba excited kuqala. Ningixolele kuSathane ulokhu eqhubekile nje enze ikhala lami ukuthi lilokhu lincinza nje. So ke ngizoba umuntu ohamba lokho elinwaya ngoba ngumuntu ongazi ukuthi ungena esimeni somkhuhlane. Mangimbuza umuntu omdala ukuthi kungani ngithola ngene emkhuhlaneni ngibe ngumuntu ogijimayo, athi cha, uzokubhaza umkhuhlane kodwa ngeke ukubamba ukuthi ulale phansi. Kusesimeni sokuthi umzimba wakho ngubona mangubuka ngubuke wenza into esengathi sakuziklina. Ngithi umuntu omdala mawuthi umzimba wami uyaziklina pho uthi angenze njani mina mhlambe esayidini lami. Athi umuntu omdala aqhubeka wena ugijime ungakhathazeki, ngibese ngiqhubeka ke nenkulumo yami. Mfowethu dadewethu lapho ukhona, ngicela udansele esiginci sakho, ngicela uye uphume kwi-fear ekusabisayo ukuthi things will not go your way. Uma ngabe isirespondile isacral yakho ukuthi this opportunity is mine, take it. Ungabi nayo self doubt. Ngiyacela ukuthi ungayitholi usesigabeni la khona uthi I don't have energy for this, but it makes sense in my head to do it. If you don't feel energized and excited to jump into it, no, it's not the right time. You may do sometimes you may do something right kodwa ngesikhathi wrong. Noma wenza into wrong ngesikhathi right, noma wenza into wrong ngesikhathi wrong. So ibalekile nalento ye-timing. So that is why ngithi mina, as long as you don't have energy for it, as long as something says no, don't do it, just wait. Maybe it's not the right time, or maybe it's not even right for you. But once your sacral is excited to jump in, don't hesitate and don't have that fear ukuthi mangabe kungasahambi kahle. Ifear nje leyo, that is the story that is coming from your mind. But other than that, be your own authority. Ngiyazi ukuthi le video ivele yachema yakhuluma ngohlobo olulodwa kuphela lwabantu okungama generators, angisakhulumanga ngama projectors. Ma projectors ngiyazi bafethu ukuthi nina niya invite. Ngicela nikwazi ukubona ama invitations bafethu, ngicela ningayifaki into eningahlangene nazo nento engangene kuzona ngoba nina ngiyazi ukuthi niyakuthanda uku-advise futhi niyakuthanda ukusiza, because nina your aura is so absorbing and penetrating. Niyakwazi ukubona ngale ukuthi ngingasiza kanjani kule system ukuthi ibe better, ngingasiza kanjani kulo muntu ukuthi lento ayenze efficiently and effectively. But kwesinye isikhathi uyathanda ukuzifaka ungamenyiwe to the point ukuthi impilo yakhe izoba ne-bitterness. Sometimes nje projector uyathanda ukuthi mfowethu uzifake entweni owazi kahle ukuthi lento akusiyona yakho. There is no invitation. This is not even what you can do or do best or better. But uyifake nje entweni. When we are here to guide us, we are here to master the systems. Thina we are going to admire you for what you bring into this world. Ngicela ubanaka abantu kulento abasuke beyikhuluma bekuncoma ngayo as a projector. Ungayithatha izinto for granted ukuthi lento I'm doing it effortlessly, angiyifundelanga nokuyifundela, it's something that I can do. That is exactly where is your niche. That is exactly your niche. Don't take it for granted. It can take you far. Sometimes when ubheka ubuka lento le oyifisayo wena oyibonayo, mhlawumbe uyibona nangaphandle noma ucabanga ukuthi yona ezokwenza ube successful, kanti lokho ongakunakile abakuncoma kukona okwenza effortlessly ikona kanye. Mhlawumbe umdecorate, mhlawumbe umkhulumi, mhlawumbe umadvise, whatever it is, but when we are invited, it is for you.